I have seen so many people here on YouTube making millions selling their own app. For example, this guy here makes 4 million a year. So I thought to myself, why can't I build my own app? And this was the time when I decided to build my own app. And as you can see, it is live and online. People can use it. And the best part, there's a premium plan so people can actually purchase it. And to be honest, this was easier than you think. It took me like 2 or 3 hours to build the entire thing. And therefore I decided to make this video to show you step by step how it works. I promise you that you will be amazed how good these vibe coding platforms are actually working. Let's dive in so you can see for yourself. So as said, you will find my partner link down here in the video description, just the first one. And when you click on it, it will bring you to this page. And here you can just type in your idea for your app, or it will give you some ideas down here, like a reporting dashboard, a gaming platform, and so on. But maybe you don't even have an idea right now, because who would have thought that we can create our own apps in the future or today? And therefore, I will give you a couple of sources where you can find good ideas. So I highly recommend the YouTube channel Starter Stories, and he publishes videos about people creating their own apps and actually making money with it. For example, he makes 70K a month, 13K a month, and he does 3 million a year with his app, 4 million a year. So this is a really good source for getting an idea of apps which are currently working in the market. Of course, you shouldn't go ahead and copy them, but you just see which niches are good right now for apps and what people are paying for them and how they did it to learn from them. And another good source is the website called Product Hunt, and here startups are launching their apps to get the initial traffic, and they have a whole archive of app ideas, so you can just go through, for example, 2025 and see which apps performed the best. People can upvote here, and this gives you a perfect idea of which apps are working, what people are interested in, and you can build something similar in the future. And yeah, for this tutorial I found a good app on Twitter. Like there's this guy called Levels.io, and he just publishes also how much money he's making with his app. So it's called Interior Design AI, and it's pretty straightforward. So people can just upload a picture of their living room, and the AI is creating a new design for the room. And we want to build the same now with Base44, and therefore we can just type in our prompt, or I would highly recommend that you first sign up, because then you can speak to the AI. Therefore, you can just click on Start Building, and then you can log in. And I will just do this right now, and we see us in a minute. And now we are inside the Base44 dashboard, and here it's the same. You just have your prompt form, but you have the microphone here, which is pretty cool because now we can just talk to the AI. So I would just go ahead and say, hey, I want to develop a room visualizer where people can upload a picture, for example, of their living room, and then they can choose a style, for example, Scandinavian, minimalist, or anything else. Think of, let's say, 8 different styles there, and then they can just send the picture to the AI, and it will create a new picture for them. And now it did the transcript for me, and you can just read through it and change it. Maybe you also wanted to give it some styling advice. You can just say, please make it bright or colorful, and it will take this into account. And once you are done, you can just send it. And now we are inside the editor of Base44, and here you can see the AI is getting to work, and now it's discussing different features, so photo upload, style selection, and so on. And now it's creating the HTML code and the CSS code and the whole functionality for you. And I think it's pretty cool. We just have to lean back and watch the AI doing the work for us, and let's wait for the results. And now it's done. This is the page, and I think it looks great. Reimagine your rooms in seconds. People can upload their picture here. They can choose their style, Scandinavian, Art Deco, mid-century, modern, bohemian. And let's check it out if it's working. And therefore we can just upload our picture here. I will just use an image of our meeting room here, and then I choose the style Scandinavian, and then I hit generate design, and let's see what it comes up with. And now it's done. Let's see. This was the picture before, and this is the Scandinavian styled room. And I think this is so cool. Like now this really looks like in IKEA. And this is the picture before. And you, of course, you can always start fresh, but I think it did what we asked the AI to do. And to be honest, it just took us like 1 or 2 prompts and the entire functionality of our app is done pretty much. So you can just go back, upload your picture, choose your style, add like an additional comment, and then hit generate the design. And I don't know about you, but I think this is crazy how good this is working. So we can just speak to the AI and it will create us this fully functional app, which we can use. And the best part now is because this is just the core functionality, but of course we would need like a home page, maybe a contact page and everything around it. And we don't need a second app for this. We can just tell the AI to do this. So we can say, hey, now we need a homepage where we describe the entire product. So please just think of a headline. Then below that, show the slider with the image we just gave you and the Scandinavian look. And then below there, just describe how the app works, what kind of styles you can choose from, and describe what it costs. So for example, we have a free plan where people can create 5 different images of their rooms, and then they need to upgrade for, let's say, $15 to a premium plan in order to have unlimited designs, and just style the entire thing. And also please add a contact page where people can contact us and store this information in a database. And here a little tip, don't give the AI too much information because it needs to build everything step by step. I think this is pretty sufficient and you can do this in tiny steps, but be aware on the free plan. So when you just signed up, you have 25 credits you can use. So here on the free plan, 25 message credits and only 5 per day. So they have like a daily allowance. And after that, you need to upgrade in order to get more credits in order to work with the AI. So for example, I am on the builder plan here and I have 250 credits available. So this is up to you. Feel free to sign up for free via my link down in the video description. Then you have 25 credits per month. But if you need more, then you can upgrade. But as you have seen, we just needed 1 prompt and it built us the entire thing. And while the AI is working for us, I can explain you a couple of things about the dashboard here. So here you can also switch the entire thing to a mobile view and everything is optimized for mobile, which I think it's pretty cool that we don't have to worry about that anymore. And here you have the visual edits. So whenever you want to change, for example, a text or something, you can just click on it and then click on the T here and edit the content. And then you can just go in and edit the text or edit the entire element by just giving it a new prompt. You can also change the colors, or you can even go inside the HTML code and change it there. So this is pretty cool. The visual edit feature is here. Down here, you can also just upload files. So whenever you need a new picture, you can just upload it there, for example, for your homepage or for your team page or something. And you also have like the discuss function. And this is pretty cool. It's like talking to ChatGPT, but the AI knows your app. So you can just ask it, okay, how did I do this in the past? Or how would you do it in the future? So for example, if we later on want to integrate pricing, you can just go with the discuss mode and discuss your changes before actually doing it. And it helps you that the AI will create like an outline for you. And then you can just approve it and say, okay, please go ahead and implement the entire thing. And now let's wait until the homepage is done for us. And here it says done. The app has a fully marketing homepage. And let's see if this is true. We can just toggle this here and see, okay, the app is called Style Space, your room reimagined in seconds. Try it for free. See how it works. So that's all. Yeah, okay, it's just a picture of a couch, but you get the idea and how it works. 1, 2, 3. Design styles and the pricing. So, and this looks like a perfect website. So I think there won't be any jobs anymore for web designers, for developers, and even marketing is done. So the pricing is also perfect. The text is good and people then could just upgrade and go ahead and go for premium. The only thing left to do is here that we need to tell it that there should be a login page so people can log in first. And we also need to tell it that we want to connect it to a payment provider. And the payment provider we will be using is called Stripe. And probably you have heard of it, and it just allows you to accept payments in the future. So by credit card or by PayPal or even by crypto. And you can just go back and tell the AI to do this. So this is pretty cool. Even that we don't need to do with a developer. We can just go ahead and say, okay, now please integrate Stripe for us because we want to accept payments. and use the product we have on our homepage, the premium plan for $15. And now it's thinking for us. We don't have to think anymore. And now we just need to confirm, please install Stripe. And now it will create a product, Style Space Premium, and it will create a price for us. And we just have to lean back and wait. And once it is done, you will get an email from Stripe. So it already did that. It created a Stripe account for you. And then you can just claim your sandbox here. And it will bring you directly to Stripe, where you can just enter your details about your company and so on. And then you are in the sandbox of Stripe, meaning that this is the playground where you can test everything out. As you can see, you have like your publish API keys, like a secret key, and it says test. So this is like a test environment for you to test your app. And later on, when you want to accept real payments, you switch the account to a live account. So you leave the sandbox, the playground, to your live Stripe account. Just click on it, and then you will get public keys, and these are public, and then you just copy them, just click on it, and you go back to the app, and then you go on the dashboard, and here on integrations, you can see now we integrated Stripe. You have your test credit card, and later on you can enter your live API keys here. So the publish key and the secret key, and then you save it. And then this is live and people can pay for your app with their credit card or PayPal. Let's see if it's now working in the test environment. So let's go back on preview, and we now need to publish the app in order to test it. You can do this up here. Just click on publish. Then you can open up in a new tab. Let's go down here and see if we can buy it. Go to premium, and now it should be redirecting us to Stripe, which it did. So perfect. And now we can just go ahead and type in the information. I will just do this for you. So I just gave it the test credit card for 242 and so on. Expiration date in the future, 123, my name. And then I hit subscribe. And now it should send us back to our app. And voila, we are now back in our app and we can now use it. So this is perfect. You just have to tell the AI what to do. So step by step, first develop your functionality, then the homepage, the contact page. For example, I didn't show you that. The contact page is also there, so perfect. Then you can integrate Stripe in order to accept payments. And if you want to go to the live version, of course, switch to live account, copy your keys, put them inside the dashboard. I just told you that, and then you can accept payments. But for now, we just published it under like a dummy domain. So when you hit publish, it gives you this dummy domain from Base44. But in order to make things professional, of course, we want our own domain. And therefore, you can just click on domains. And then you can just buy a domain inside Base44. It's connected to Ionos, which is a domain provider. And then you can just type anything in, like, for example, roomstyler.ai, and hit search. And you can see if the domain is still available. This is not available right now, but the roomstyler.site would be. And then you can just go ahead, buy the domain on the external provider from Ionos. And then you need to give it like 1 hour or 2 hours at least in order to connect it. And once it's connected, you can just refresh it, and then the entire project is live under your own domain. Yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's very easy. You just buy the domain here, and then it's connected, and then you have a professional project there. And one last thing, you have your database here. So for example, whenever someone contacted you, you will see it here. You will see the room designs here, and you can just talk to the AI whenever you need to save more data of your customers or so. Then you can just make a new database by just talking to the AI. And you also have your users here. So for example, this is me as the admin, but when someone signed up for our app, then you will see the users here. And if you don't want your app to be public, you can also require a login first. Then people, when they open your domain, then they will be prompted with a login first. But you can also just tell the AI, hey, if someone clicks on the try for free button, then please send them to the sign up page. I will do this really quickly. Hey, if someone clicks on the try for free button, please make them sign up first before they can use our app. So now it is done. The last thing, the login functionality, I just published the app. Let's see how it works. So now we are on the homepage again. And if someone clicks on try for free, there should be a sign up form. So let's try it out. Try it free. And now you're redirected to the sign up form. So perfect. And if someone signs up now, they should land in our app. I will do this really quickly. They even put a 2-factor code here. So let's verify it. And now we should land in the app, have our 5 credits here. So perfect. And when we use the 5 credits now, then there should be a pop-up saying, hey, upgrade to premium. And yeah, this was pretty much how you would create your own app with Base44. If you want to try it out now, remember you will find the link down below in the video description. Then you can just sign up for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. And also please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. And now have fun with Base44 building your own app. I think it's an amazing software. I hope you liked the video. Yeah, have fun trying it out. See you in the next one. Bye.